ladies, and welcome back to Fiercely Feminine, where we talk about all things femininity, fashion, faith, elegance, and self-improvement. As women who embrace our femininity, we understand the importance of rest, play, and relaxation. Yet, the real world has real demands, and whether you're studying, working, or managing a home, certain aspects of life require you to be both productive and disciplined. Balancing these aspects while maintaining our feminine essence involves a thoughtful approach. Today, we'll explore how to seamlessly balance self-discipline with your femininity. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, find a cozy spot to relax, and let's get started. It's important to note that you won't always feel motivated to be disciplined. Motivation is the initial spark or desire that drives you to start something. It's often based on emotions or external factors, like inspiration from a goal, a challenge, or a reward. However, motivation can be fleeting and inconsistent, varying with your mood, energy levels, or circumstances. Self-discipline, on the other hand, is the ability to consistently take action regardless of how you feel. It's about making decisions and following through with them even when motivation is low. Self-discipline is rooted in commitment, habits, and a long-term perspective. The Bible says a person without self-control is like a city with broken down walls, and that the Spirit of God does not make us timid but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. We also know that women are called to be disciplined. Proverbs 31 describes the wife of noble character, stating that she carefully watches everything in her household and suffers nothing from laziness. So whether you're a stay-at-home wife, a student, or working full-time, discipline is something that is universally required to live a purposeful life. Today we'll be discussing essential mindset shifts you need to make in order to build self-discipline. Focus on long-term gains over short-term comfort. View temporary discomfort as an investment in your future self. Prioritizing long-term benefits help you resist immediate temptations, making it easier to stay disciplined. There is a quote that says, "Excuses make today easier and tomorrow harder. Discipline makes today harder and tomorrow easier." Recognize discipline as freedom. While we often associate freedom with doing whatever we want, indulging in harmful behaviors, though they might give the illusion of freedom, can actually lead to greater bondage. True freedom comes from discipline, which grants you greater control over your life. By embracing this perspective, you'll see discipline as a powerful tool for achieving your goals and living the life you truly desire. Embrace challenges as growth opportunities. See challenges and obstacles as opportunities to grow rather than setbacks. This perspective helps you persevere through difficulties, strengthening your discipline over time. View discipline as a form of self-respect. Recognize that being disciplined is an act of self-respect and self-care, not deprivation. This shift fosters a positive relationship with discipline, making it feel empowering rather than restrictive. Shift from motivation to commitment. Understand that commitment, not motivation, drives consistent action. You won't always feel motivated, but you can always choose to stay committed. Acting consistently, even when you don't feel like it, will help you build stronger self-discipline. Redefine failure as feedback. View failures as valuable feedback rather than a reflection of your worth or abilities. This mindset shift encourages learning and persistence, allowing you to bounce back and stay disciplined even after setbacks. Cultivate patience and delayed gratification. Embrace the idea that worthwhile goals take time and effort to achieve, which will help you stay focused on long-term goals, reducing impatience and impulsiveness. Shift from have to get to. Instead of saying, "I have to work out," say, "I get to work out." Instead of saying, "I have to eat healthy," say, "I get to eat healthy." Instead of saying, "I have to work," say, "I get to work." We have so many privileges, and it's important to reframe your actions as choices you're making for your own benefit rather than obligations. This mindset shift will increase your gratitude and appreciation and will make you realize what a blessing it is to be able to work on yourself, which will increase your commitment to disciplined actions. Celebrate progress, not just perfection. There is this quote that says, "Done is better than perfect." Sometimes we let the pursuit of perfection hold us back from consistently taking action. Focus on progress and incremental improvements rather than perfection. This will reduce the pressure to be perfect, making it easier to maintain discipline and allows you to appreciate your efforts along the way. The habit of showing up consistently, even when it's done imperfectly, is more important and more effective over the long run. And remember that imperfect action is better than perfect inaction, and done is better than perfect. If you're interested in more information on how to reset and organize your life, I highly recommend you watch my video 18 Habits to Become an Organized Woman alongside this video. And remember, discipline is freedom. Having self-discipline and showing up for yourself is going to increase your confidence and your respect for yourself, which will flow into all areas of your life. By adopting these mindset shifts, you can transform the way you approach self-discipline, making it a more natural and sustainable part of your life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out our Patreon community to connect with other like-minded feminine women who are also interested in all things femininity, fashion, faith, elegance, and self-improvement. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.